Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another episode here. First off, let me say that I hope everybody in your family's doing okay, and hope nobody's sick. If so, God bless, and I hope you get over it real quick. Anyway, we're going to make a bandsaw table with a bandsaw. We got a 5 1/4 inch depth, so I think I'm going to make it 9 inches so I can get at least a nice rest with a 4 inch pipe to push it in there. I think I just make it 9 by 12. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started on this. We're going to lay some of this stuff down. There we go. Well, I tell you what, it's nice having on this table. The fun part comes with something to grind that. Cut it out with a cutting wheel. It's always a lot of fun. This hang on. I had to check my 3D printer. I'm making my socket drawer's a mess and I'm tired of it. So I'm printing out these little socket holders here. And they're not gonna slam the drawer pretty good. They're not gonna go anywhere. So anyway, that's what I'm doing over there. Okay. Now for the fun part. I'm gonna pause the video and get my GoPro set up and yeah, get ready to cut that wheel off out there. Cut that wheel off, cut that steel out. Okay, guys, I got the plate on. Kind of thinking I might want to make it a little wider over here, but I mean, I guess it'll be all right. I mean, the blade's in the center of the plate, so it's all good and flush. Yeah, I just had to cut this little notch out right here so I could get it in. That's why I couldn't. I was having issues getting these screws in, and well, my plate was sitting cockeyed. So, and I may take a little file. It's not. It may be a little up against that side there, but I mean, it didn't rub or anything. Yeah, I'll probably cut a little out. I mean, I'm a little off, but not too bad. Maybe I'll just run the wheel down there a little more and open it up just a hair more. Or like I said, I can take a file and just file it. And maybe I'll just do that. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end this part for the table here. This stuff takes forever to do when you're filming it or recording it. So anyway, guys, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and please leave a comment. I see people watching them, but no comments. It'd be nice to see a comment every once in a while. But anyway, I appreciate you guys, and stay safe out there during these times. I know it's a little rough right now, but we'll get through it. So just be safe, stay away. Keep your distance from people. Anyway, I'll try to get this second half out tomorrow. So it just depends on what time I get off work. Anyway, have a good night.